Hi, and welcome to another in the series of 5-minute workshops. Workshops where we build value-adding applications in around about 5 minutes. Today's application, what we're going to create is we're going to create a Twitter listener to Azure blob storage. What we're going to do is we're going to look for all tweets about a certain subject and store them to Azure. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have a key phrase notifications where we actually inspect each tweet, and if certain conditions arise for certain key phrases, then we're going to store those elsewhere so people can act on them. Say if you've got bad press and something, one of the servers down or something like that, then you can immediately send that off in an email, file, anywhere, database to get it looked at for further investigation. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create our application then. So it's a rather simple application. Consists of Twitter listener, Azure push, blob, and we're going to call this. I'm going to do the Xbox because there's quite a lot of tweets there all the time. So, and we're going to call this blob name, and our container name is going to be Xbox tweets. And seeing as though we're using Azure storage, we need to just set a couple of assembly redirects. And one last thing we need to do is we need to store it as a JSON. So we're going to go convert our message from an object to a JSON. And let's run it and see what happens. So it seems to be working. So if alright, this is our export tweets that's coming in. I'm just going to delete them all. So refresh, and as you can see we're getting more all the time. Just read a couple. And that's what we're storing. These are tweets about Xbox. And so that's that really. But what we need to do, what we're going to do, is we're going to inspect each one and search for a couple of key phrases. So, and we're going to write those to a file. So, file. We could send them to an email, but if a lot of occur, then that person's just going to get snowed under with emails. We could throttle the email, but for this example, I'm just going to simply send it to a file. So, we want push message pipe. There we go. And we're going to, the name of the pipe is, the name of the file is going to be the creator name. Just there, and the contents just going to be the JSON. And as I said, we want to do key phrases. So I'm going to set up a couple of key phrases. So key phrases, we're going to go say bad service or server down. Now I can make these editable, but how we're going to fire this off then is we're going to do a conditional. Now you've seen conditional execute expression, but we're going to do quick code. And so here's some I wrote earlier. So go back. And what this does is, initially, as you can see, when we're doing compile, our application compiles, it takes any project settings and substitutes them with this. So this will be substituted at compile time. And then all we're doing is saying loop through each one. Does that text exist in the tweet? If so, yes, then run and store this. So quickly do that. So here's our output, and I'm going to quickly write a couple of tweets just to show you. So Xbox there's the server down. And there we go. And I think the other one was bad service, so we'll quickly do that. Xbox bad service. Yep. And these can be stored and for further investigation. So that's that. So that's how to listen for tweets and key phrase indications. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.